Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day and that you and your loved ones are safe, healthy, and doing well during this time. Today's video is actually part of a blog post I posted earlier today, and it is about the 2 new beads from the Art Oblivion's bead collection. I'm so excited to share these beautiful beads with you, and a special thank you to the Art Oblivion for sending me these beads to review and style with. The first bead I'm going to share with you is called In Search. This is a sterling silver barrel-shaped-like bead featuring an open-work design along the front and on the back. What I love about it is as you look at it, it looks like you're staring down at the world. Kind of has a map-like navigation quality to it. It has a beautiful star compass right at the front with that open work design, and it has such a beautiful statement to it. When you look at it, it really is like looking at a painting or some piece of art because there's so much detail and thought in this. I love the story behind this bead. If you actually go to my blog post, I do share more the inspirations and the stories behind this bead, and I think the Art Oblivion did such an amazing job on it. I really actually love how this barrel shape looks. I find it's really easy to style with and it just looks so cool. I really love that it looks like you're looking right down at planet Earth, which I just think is really neat. Now, In Search also pairs beautifully with the other bead that's new for the Art Oblivion. It is called In Awe. And In Awe is truly out of this world. It is so spectacular. There's some beautiful details on it as well. It is also the same barrel-like shape as In Search, and it features an open work design as well. Both these beads are technically meant to be paired together. Here's what Art Oblivion has to say. We can combine In Awe with In Search to keep our feet on the ground while reaching for the stars. To quote Ruth Gordon, "The earth is my body and my head is in the stars." And speaking of stars, In Awe features some beautiful star galaxy themes to it. There's a beautiful center star that's shining much brighter than the other stars found in this design. It is a lovely echo to the compass detailing on In Search. Also found on here, as mentioned, are little twinkling stars found in a variety of different shapes. There's also a planet and the moon, but one of the also really cool extra details is this big bang, this big explosion going through the back of the bead, which I think is so cool. So if you're a huge space lover, if you're a fan of outer space, science fiction, and stars, this bead is a must for you. There's so much detail on it. But I also just love how much it complements In Search. I find these just work so beautifully together. You have the Earth and you have the galaxy. Now I'm going to share with you how I styled my 2 new Art Oblivion beads onto a bracelet design. So I went ahead and I pulled out my Dirty Ohm twisted bangle. The dark oxidization on this bracelet really makes me think of a night sky in the galaxy. It just has that perfect dark kind of mysterious kind of look to it. So I pulled that out. I pulled out my 2 water spacers. And I also pulled out the glass bead called UNVEIL. This is an Ohm Art Oblivion glass bead. It's sold exclusively on the Art Oblivion website. It is so magical looking. It has this beautiful touch of sparkle, and I thought it would pair really beautifully with the 2 new Art Oblivion beads. That being said, though, I would love if I had more kind of a galaxy type bead because that would look so cool on here as well. Like kind of more darker, like kind of charcoaly black, maybe even a midnight blue. I think that would look really cool as well. And here's a little close-up at the finished bracelet design that I came up with. I really love how magical this turned out. I really love how I kind of styled it and put it together. I'm so curious, though, to know how you guys would style these beads. Please let me know down below. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on my bracelet design. I will tell you guys, these barrel beads, they're so comfortable to wear. They don't poke you or anything like that, and they're very easy to style and design with. I put this design together so fast, and I just find they really complement a variety of different shaped beads and different types of brands as well. Here's a quick look at the bracelet design on my wrist. Just in case any of you are curious, I am wearing the size small for the Ohm twisted bangle. Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video/blog post. I hope you enjoyed seeing these 2 beautiful new beads from the Art Oblivion. Again, a special thank you to the Art Oblivion for sending me these beads to review, and also to thank you guys too, because I wouldn't have these opportunities without you. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Happy Friday, happy weekend. What do you guys have planned? Do you have anything fun planned? Anyway, you guys, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.